Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to make this simple text animation in After Effects without any plugin. So bring a type tool and type any word you want. So place S on your keyboard and do the scale. Do not worry for the font, you can use any font you really want. Click in the empty space and double click on the rectangle shape. After all that, you are going to make the color black one, the rectangle. After that, drop the shape down to the blur layer. When you've done, select all layers and pre-compose them. You can name them text. So after, create a new solid layer and name it same thing like color. So if you're done, you can apply 4-color gradient to the color layer. So on colors for no, you can use select color you want. After that, click on every color point. After that, move a distance on the timeline and randomly change the color point position. After all, select all the keyframes and select Ctrl-C to copy. Do not forget Ctrl-V to paste. After all, do not wet select all the keyframes in easy ease. So you can see the blur has started coming clearly. Now change the green color to black. So perfect here. After that, apply camera lens blur. So on layers do this, on source make an effect and masks. After that, make a blur radius 2 or anything good for you. So the blur is known clear on the text. After here, make a new adjustments layer and name it effect. So go and apply noise on the effect layer. Make the noise amount 30. After, apply sharpen to the blur layer. Make sharpen 305. So reduce the noise to 59 and after unclick use color noise. After that, apply threshold to the noise layer. So you can see here our blur background is cut. Make the level 144. So after that, add fastbox blur. Make the blur radius 0.4 or 0.5, anything you want. After that, apply curve. Adjust the curve like this. After, apply sharpen to the blur layer. Make this sharpen 11. So our text is somehow sharpened, so create a new adjustment layer. Bring out its 4 color gradient and apply it to the adjustment layer. So you are going to do the same we did in the fast 4 color gradient. After that, blend the adjustment layer to divide or overlay anything you want.